please like and subscribe. My name is Joshua. So we'll be creating overlay in Figma today, and assuming you have your design readily available, say like one in form of a card and the other one which is your main screen, I'll show you how to open overlay, create like a pop-up menu, something like that in Figma. So let's dive straight in. So you tap on your screen, on your design, on the particular frame you want, you tap on it, come to prototype here, you pick a point which you want to have the overlay. When you tap on it, then you connect it to your frame. Next, you set it as on click, and then you could set it as move in, move out, push, slide in, slide out, smart animate, dissolve, or instant. I'll use dissolve. Then how fast do you want it? You can set it here. We change navigate to open overlay. Next, this is for your color. And so if you want the background to get a little bit dull, darker, the higher you set it, the darker it gets. If you set it in 100, it goes completely dark. And if you set it in 50, it's half the brightness, the regular brightness. If you set it in 0, then it's as bright as it is right now. So let's try and see. Fine, let's test our screen. Let's have a preview. So click on the screen here, tap on this, and then it pops up. So if you look at the background here, you can see that it's still bright behind. We don't want that. So we just set it to 50. So you can see it's better now, just a little bit darker. If you want it completely gone, it just depends on what you want. Then we can set it to 100. We're working with those 3 digits today, and then you can try any other digit you want, just the way you want it. I tap on this now and you see it's completely vanished. So that is it for open overlay in Figma. In our next video, I'll be showing you how to hover around these buttons using variants and components in Figma. Thank you. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.